Hi, my name is Sofia. I live in Macau for several years and I just finished to do this self-empowerment course of 8 days. There are no words to describe it. It's much more than you can never think of. I was by accident searching on Facebook for something, and suddenly out of the blue I found Susana. Susana told me about their inner foundation course, and when I went through the page, I saw it was clear to me there was something, there was their calling. So I was open to change, because many times in life we just go through very difficult experiences and we are living on our heads, numb and feeling lost, and feeling that we're living a life of success, but there's something missing. And I could feel it. I could feel that it was time for change. And I could never expect what I was going to find. It was much, much more. This was a transforming life experience. It was a unique opportunity to find myself, to understand who I am. And for the first time, after so much healing I looked for, after so many things, I found what I was looking for. I could rescue my inner child, and I have the opportunity to embody the woman who I was supposed to be. I cannot recommend more anyone to do this course. This is life transforming. This is an opportunity unique. I never seen, and I do a lot of research. I have never ever seen anything like it, because it has the perfect balance between Luke and Susana, the cognitive and the emotional. It's spiritual, but it's very rational. So it's something that will make sense for everyone. It's not about religion. It's not about being spiritual. It's about being authentic. It's about being who you are and embracing the wholeness that you can be. And there is nothing more rewarding for a person, for a human being, than to be here and to know who they are and what are they meant to be with their lives, to find a track, a direction, a purpose, a meaning. It's fulfillment. Many of us, we walk through the earth, we spend our days afraid that we might die, that we're gonna crash, that we're gonna have an accident, that something bad is gonna happen. Why? Because we're afraid to live. We're so afraid. And the day I found my life purpose, that was transforming. I melt down in tears because I discovered that I was so scared of the wholeness that I was supposed to be. And I am not special. I am not special. I am special because I am who I am. But you are. I think everyone has so much potential waiting to be born. And we have two people here with us today. We have Luke and we have Susana, offering you the opportunity, holding that loving space to transform your life. That unique opportunity for you to become. So please, my calling, this video, I am calling you. I am sharing you this experience. Please don't spend the rest of your life in that emptiness, because deep inside of you, you know you have a calling. And if you do this course, I am sure you will find